Hi friends, this is Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead. Well, it's Sunday and we were doing our live stream and we came up with an idea for dinner during our live stream. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, this is going to be another crock pot meal. And we're going to keep it real simple. I have carrots, 2 sweet potatoes, a small onion, and a package of frozen hamburger. I also have some, this is the last of my MSG free onion soup mix, so we're going to put that into play. Because the hamburger is frozen, we can't really make a meatloaf and season it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this baggie and we're going to throw in, I don't know, a couple of tablespoons of onion soup mix. I'm going to say that's about a tablespoon and a half. Actually, I'm going to use more. There we go. So if you want to use depending on the size of your family, use a half a pack to a whole pack of onion soup mix. We're trying something new, dear. And so we've got garlic, MSG free onion soup mix, some pepper, some pink Himalayan salt, and we're going to take our frozen ball of hamburger. It's been out of the fridge for about an hour, out of the freezer for about an hour, just so that it's still frozen, but the meat now has some moisture to it for our seasonings to stick. We're going to shake and bake this thing with this onion soup mix. We're going to just rub it right in there. Okay, and we're going to put that right into the bottom of our crock pot. And I'm just going to peel. Yeah, my Facebook purchase of really cool ergonomic peelers broke. So, let's see if I can't. There's my back to the everyday old peeler. Papa's watching his racing. Now, I'm going to make these in chunks, folks, because they will, when you're cooking something all together, you want it all to come out at the same time. So we're just going to make them into nice big chunks. This is a nightshade free meal because I've had way too many tomatoes and stuff lately. So this is a no potato, no tomato, no pepper, no eggplant meal. I'll just break this carrot up. And I think I'll do one more onion. And I'm just going to put the rest of our seasonings all over top with a knob of, I'm going to put a knob of butter there. Okay, this is going on high for about 3 hours. I put my tea cozy on top of there to make it more oven-esque, so to speak. Oh, look at that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this all out because we've developed a wonderful amount of juice, and I honestly think that Daddy's going to want some gravy. So there's our sweet potatoes. This is a low, no nightshade dinner. There we go. I'm going to go take this juice and I'm going to make some gravy. Just a bit of cold water and flour. I'll just do this. Pour that through there like that. And that is just hot enough to make a nice little gravy. Because we cooked this on high for about 4 hours. All right, we'll make Daddy up a plate and we'll see. Whoa. Look at that. Splendor in a pan. Well, I'm going to do it for him. Let's see what Papa thinks. This is, it is what it is.
It is what it is. It's food.
I made it all, including the gravy, in the crock pot.
Awesome. Having cooked. Delicious.
Thank you, darling. Let you go back to your racing. It's crock pot hamburger and orange things. It is what it is. You don't have to have a name for it. It's hot. It's cooked. It's delicious. It's food. Take care. God bless.